Hi everyone, THM Healthy Mama Coach Christina here. I'm trying this a second time because whatever reason it went wrong earlier, so I deleted that one and decided to start over. So I'm making cherries on top chicken salad. It makes an excellent carb meal, and it's one of my favorites because it's really easy. I pre-made my cherry dressing. I make it up in a bigger batch, like ×4 out of the recipe book. And that way it's already pre-made. And I always do a big thing of quinoa on meal prep day on Saturday if I'm out. And I pre-measured it. And my mixed greens, all my greens when they come home, I line them in paper towel lined zip-up bags. And it keeps them better longer. So, and then I didn't have time to thaw my cherries, so I just popped them in the microwave to thaw, and they're ready to go. And then I have a can of chicken. So I started by adding the greens to my salad bowl, and I am going to open up my chicken and drain it. If you come on live, go ahead and say hi. If you're catching replay, #lunch. I mean, you can use any protein you like, but I do like using chicken. Sometimes I've used tuna or salmon. This cycle here, so I'm just going to rinse that out. And then I'm going to go ahead and add my cherries in there. I didn't measure them like it says to do. I just kind of get some out. And I'm going to add my quinoa, which I love the quinoa because it makes an excellent gentle carb for me. And I'm going to add a teaspoon of chopped nuts. I think these are walnuts. I thought I had silver almonds. I'm pretty sure I do somewhere, but I don't know where they are. So there's my healthy fat that I'm adding to my meal. And then I am just going to add the cherry dressing. And then that's my salad. It's ready to go. So I hope you're having a wonderful Tuesday. Hope you're having a good Tuesday, and let me know what you're having for lunch down in the comments below. I'm always looking for new ideas, but a really good carb salad for me. So hope you're having a great day. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.